Happy New Year everybody. I was sent a gift box containing some smart HomeKit devices that I figured you might like to see. So number one is a 4-button scene controller. Now this uses Zigbee, works with HomeKit and can last 2 years on a single battery. Number two is a HomeKit Zigbee hub that you'll need for many of their smart devices. You can watch my video on this hub by clicking on the link in the corner. Number three is not HomeKit compatible for obvious reasons, only working with Amazon, which is a heart-shaped IR blaster. Very strange. Number four is not smart at all, but as I like tea, this is still nice to get, which is a teacup for Chinese tea, although I do prefer PG tips. It's lovely all the same. Also included is a little tiger figure, given that this is the year of the tiger. On to number five and back to smart stuff with a HomeKit compatible temperature and humidity sensor that includes an LCD display. It uses two AAA batteries and is a Zigbee 3 device. Number 6 is a filament style bulb capable of warm and cool whites. It's 650 lumens, so probably better for accent lighting. Number 7 is not smart, but if you remember the teacup, this is the tea to go with it, housed in a nice little tin. It's not PG tips though. Number 8, and we're back to smart devices with a wireless button. This one is capable of single, double and long presses and is also HomeKit compatible. Number 9 isn't smart as such, but it is smart to wear such a thing in these times. Rather fetching, I think you'll agree. Number 10, and we're back to smart stuff with a ZemiSmart motion sensor. As with the other products, this is HomeKit compatible and uses Zigbee 3. Number 11, and another sensor, but this time for your doors and windows. It works with HomeKit and uses a CR2032 battery. Finally to number 12, which is interesting as it's a relay, but having a neutral wire for this is totally optional. That's all for now, but I'll be taking a closer look at some of these devices later on. So until then, Happy New Year or Xin Yan Kuai Le.